think women find especially attractive about you? I'm not sure, because I really don't concern myself with that. As a matter of fact, I've been told I'm rather naive about such things. I think in part maybe women are turned on by the fact that they sense that I'm naive about such things. I don't like playing games between the sexes. I'm usually very upfront and honest in my relationships and encounters with women, almost childlike, it's been said. And I think this appeals to women. Then of course there are some who are attracted to large muscular bodybuilders. But really I think it's more a childlike naivete and openness when it comes to women that really attract the women more than anything. What makes a woman attractive to me? Well, I must say that while I am very attracted to woman in general, woman spelled with capital letters, I have found that over the years I've been attracted to the point of pursuit rather rarely. But when I am attracted to a woman, it's usually a very strong, overwhelming attraction, and I'll pursue her for all I'm worth. And looking over the women that I've been attracted to over the years, it's really rather difficult to put my finger on any common denominator, as they all seem rather diverse in their qualities. I've been in love with blonde women, dark-haired women, introverted, extroverted, well-built women, not so well-built women, the whole gamut. But in looking back, however, to the initial attraction, and it's always an initial attraction. Again, I'm overpowered immediately by the woman I've pursued, or I just didn't pursue them. It wasn't something that developed over a period of time. In the majority of cases, it was something in their eyes, a vulnerability. I remember, I think it was Freud who said that the eyes are the windows to the soul, and I think it's very true. I judge most people, initially anyway, by their eye contact and what it is I get from their eyes, and especially so with women. It's really a great ineffable to me. But it's a something mysterious. It's a chemistry with the eyes. It's a certain vulnerability or emotional sensitivity which can't be hidden when looking at the eyes. Many people try to hide their sensitivity or their emotional vulnerability through different character traits, but the eyes never lie.